mountains in the distance and lush green trees below, as Eva stands on a viaduct, staring into the distance. She steps away from the viaduct wall and sees the words "Eva was here 2020" have been written on a slate. She reaches for a felt pen and crosses out the words. In the distance, Max, Rory and Rhodri are crossing the viaduct and they go to Eva.
Yo, future girl! Future girl! It is her.
Why didn't you answer?
Sorry, my phone was off. Why?
Why? You've gone bloody viral, that's why.
Yeah, you're everywhere. Future girl, that's what they're calling you.
Sid, sa i'n deall? There's more. Anyone asking about me?
Not asking about you.
What? What is it? What video?
Max answers a video call.
Max, you with Eva? She's not answering. Eva!
Eva, you're bloody everywhere.
Have you seen it?
Have you seen you talking about me? You, but not you talking to Max.
Talking about you? What is she on about?
Just show her.
Rhodri plays the video via his phone.
I'm trying to get to Blind and Festiniog in time. Max, if I don't get home, tell Alicia the Swansea in 30 years will blow her mind.
That's her. She's there. That's our Eva. She's in your time.
Told you.
What does she mean? You mean about Swansea?
Bleidlais Festiniog.
Yeah, well, that's what she said. But why then?
I don't know, but I've got to get there too.
No, hold on. This could be massive.
All right, yeah. Speak later, is it?
But have you seen how far that is? That's like north, like proper Gogledd, you know?
Why? Why?
My nan. She had to answer a message from Eva.
Wait, the man in the video in the market.
Yes. And he said, if I want to get back, I have to go to Bleidlais Festiniog. So.
Oh my God, it's the same place Thomas, the blogger, he lives there.
Well, you're lying.
He said it's my only chance.
Okay. So what do we do now?
What else can I do? I have to get there. No, it's okay, you don't have to come too.
Yeah, we do, actually. That's where our Eva's trying to get to.
And?
And if you guys are gonna like switch back or whatever, then when she gets back, she's gonna need us. We need to be there for both of you.
This is pretty amazing, Eva. Like, you would have seen the future twice. Like, as you and you, but you know, like, our you. But like, bro, this is massive.
No, it's not. It's bad. If that video has gone viral, if people know, then they'll want to find out all that I know. Companies, the government, just think what they can know, what they can find out. I can't see it. I can't see it. I can't see it.
Don't worry. We'll figure it out. Won't we?
Yeah, right.
Okay. Fine.
They begin to walk before grinding to a halt and staring. A group of older people in colourful clothing are out for a walk, and they go to Eva and her friends and extend their arms. Everyone walks amongst each other and hold each other's arms one by one and slowly rotate in a light dance, before moving on and greeting and linking arms with someone new. Faceless arms and bodies connecting and spinning. Eva holds a woman's arms who spins her and leads her away from the group before she holds on to Eva's shoulders tightly and places her on the spot. They stare deeply into each other's eyes, breathe deeply, and embrace tightly. Eva steps away from everyone and watches them from afar before Rhodri, Rory and Max join her. We get closer to the slate and Eva has crossed out "Eva was here 2020" and written "The future is here." As the four go to leave and begin their journey to Blaenau Ffestiniog, a large crew of young people run over the viaduct whilst waving pieces of red material. They have hung a banner over the edge of the viaduct which reads, "Mae'r DYFODOL YMA, the future is here." They dance victoriously above the banner whilst waving their red materials, as we move further and further away, which shows the enormity of the viaduct, as well as Merthyr Tydfil behind it, and all the greenery that surrounds it.